Ditch the vacation request anxiety because submitting time off in Gusto is easier than finding the perfect beach sunset. First, make sure you're logged into your Gusto account. Once you're in, look for the time off section on your dashboard. It's usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it. Alright, you're in the time off hub. Now, find the big, friendly button that says request time off and give that a click. This is where the magic happens. First, select the dates you'll be out of the office. Click on the calendar icon to easily choose your start and end dates. Next, tell Gusto what type of time off you're requesting. Is it a well-deserved vacation, a much-needed sick day, or some personal time? Choose the option that fits your situation. To help your manager understand, add a brief reason for your time off request. You can keep it short and sweet, like doctor's appointment or family event. Double-check all the information you've entered to make sure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, hit that submit button. You'll see a confirmation message that your request has been submitted. Your manager will be notified, and you'll receive an update once they've reviewed it. And that's all there is to it. Now you can relax, knowing your time off request is in good hands. Enjoy your time off.